Take a look at this Redtiger car dashcam. Here is some raw, unedited footage from the Redtiger ViewClear 70 car dashcam. The quality is impressive straight out of the box. The brightness, sharpness, colors, and even the small details are all very clear. Now I'm driving over several bumps on the road, but despite the vibrations, you can see that there is no shaking in the video. It remains very stable, indicating that this camera features an excellent anti-shake mechanism. But let's take a closer look. When buying a dashcam, the key feature is how clearly it captures details, especially vehicle license plate numbers. Thanks to the latest Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, you can clearly read the license plate on the car in front of you. This camera's high 4K resolution allows you to read license plates clearly from a distance. Before buying a dashcam, make sure it has protection against direct sunlight. Currently I'm driving into the sun, but it's completely neutralized. Everything remains clear and unobstructed. Even the less powerful rear camera provides an outstanding video quality, clearly capturing the license plate number of the car behind me. When I drive at night, this dashcam records video in impressive quality. I can see the surroundings, read the names of the stores clearly, and it doesn't even feel like I'm driving in the dark, as you can see for yourself. Unlike many dashcams I have tested, this Redtiger allows you to read the license plates of the cars in front as clearly as during the day. Look at that! Thanks to advanced image technology, even the rear camera lets you clearly read the license plates behind you. Very impressive. Now here's the cool part. It's super easy to install and I'll show you step by step. Let's start with the rear camera located at the back of the car. I'll place it in the top center of the rear window. Redtiger ViewClear 70 comes with these electrostatic window stickers to make future removal easy. Let's clean the rear window and attach the sticker. Remove all the air bubbles. The rear camera is small and doesn't take up a lot of space. It's shorter than my finger. And it can be rotated 360 degrees to capture video from best position. It features a single cable input for ease of installation and attaches to glass using double-sided tape. Remove the protective films from the double tape and the lens. Attach the camera to the electrostatic sticker, but make sure the lens doesn't face that sticker. And apply some firm pressure until the camera sticks. The dashcam comes with this long USB Type-C cable. Attach it to the rear camera. Try to hide the cable as much as you can. The best is to pull it through the rubber sleeve, if you have an SUV. And then pull the weather strips open to run this cable under the headliner, or in some cars you can run it under the floor carpet, all the way to the front windshield, where we'll install the front camera. Find the best place to install the front camera and install the front electrostatic sticker. Get rid of all the air bubbles so the sticker stays firmly attached. The dashcam is very compact as it fits across my hand. It has two USB inputs for power and a rear camera. It also attaches to the windshield over this double tape. And the camera has a powerful Sony image sensor. It comes with its own display, power button, and a mini SD card slot to store all video recordings. It features an adjustable angle and 4 control buttons located at the bottom. Don't forget to insert the memory card and remove the protective film from the lens. The power cable connects to a cigarette lighter, or you can use this hardwire kit to connect the power if you want to take advantage of parking mode security when your car is turned off. So let's connect the power cable and the cable for the rear camera that we already installed. Remove the protective film from the double tape, position it as high as possible, and apply firm pressure to secure it in place. The Redtiger Dashcam comes with a convenient prying tool that allows you to pry the headliner and hide all the wires, ensuring your installation looks clean and professional. There is no problem lowering the sun visor because the dashcam is very tiny and it doesn't obstruct anything. Since this car doesn't have a cigarette lighter, I use the converter that converts from USB-C to a cigarette lighter socket. If you're interested in purchasing one, I've included a link in the video description. Once you connect it, make sure it displays 12 volts. The final step of the installation is to connect the power for the dashcam by inserting the cigarette lighter adapter. But before you can use it, you have to set the settings. So get your smartphone and go to your App Store. Search for Redtiger Cam and install it. If you're using it for the first time, click Create Account. Enter your name, email, and create a password. Checkmark the terms of service and click Verify Email. Then open your email and click on the link to verify it. Now go back to your Redtiger app and enter your credentials. On the welcome page, click the plus button and grant all the necessary permissions. I recommend providing a precise location while using this app. Enter your car's make, model, and year. Before you continue, please turn on Wi-Fi on the dashcam. Make sure to turn off Bluetooth and turn on Wi-Fi on your phone. It's very important to turn off Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in your car, especially if it's wireless. To turn on the dashcam's Wi-Fi, press and hold the second button on the bottom left until you see this message. On your smartphone, go to Wi-Fi settings and look for the Redtiger network. Then tap it. The password is 12345678, but you can change it later. Once connected, select Always Connect so you don't have to do it again. Let's go back to the Redtiger app and hit Connect. Select the car we already added, and bam, we're in. The next step is to adjust the camera's angles. Park on the street behind any vehicle and adjust the front camera lens using your hand. I like it when I can still see a little bit of my hood for orientation. That looks pretty good and covers a wide angle. Now touch the switch button so we can adjust the rear camera. And I can immediately see that my rear camera angle is completely off, recording upside down, which I'll show you how to fix. Go to the back of the car and take the cell phone with you so you can see how to adjust. I'll open the rear door and lower the camera angle, which can be rotated 360 degrees. Now I can see on my cell phone that it's much better, but we're still upside down. On the dashcam, press the left button at the bottom to enter settings. Using the second and third buttons, you can move back and forth. Go forward until you reach the rear camera flip. Select it by clicking the OK button, and then select the rear cam flip to the on position. Now go back to exit, and if you look at your app, you can see that the rear camera is no longer upside down. Let's adjust a little more, and it looks perfect. Before using your dashcam for the first time, I recommend clicking Format SD card to erase all memory, ensuring a smooth experience. All video footage remains on your dashcam, but if something happens and you want to save it to your phone, click on Dashcam File. Here you can see all the recordings that you can transfer to your phone and then to your computer. Click the pen button on the top right, select the videos you want to save, and then click the download button, which is very fast on this model. After you finish, press and hold the Wi-Fi button to disconnect, so the dashcam will resume the recordings, as it doesn't record while you're using the app. The Redtiger ViewClear 70 comes with a comprehensive user manual and an app manual. The combination of quality and price of this dashcam system is perfect, so I personally recommend it. And if you're thinking about buying one for yourself, or maybe as a gift to your friends or family, I dropped the links down in the description. Got questions? Leave them in comments. I read every single one.